Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be covering NIO again. I have one interesting news that I want to share with you alongside the analysis starting from July 2021 and overall the production and what's going on with NIO in general, especially the tech regulation in China. So stay tuned because I think you're gonna like today's video as well. So welcome back. I'm gonna go through some of the notes that I actually made and prepared for when I was preparing for this video. So in the notes it's been said that NIO achieved a record high delivery of 21,896 vehicles in the second quarter of 2021. And that being said, they also released 7,931 vehicles in July by itself, bringing its total deliveries of 125,528 as of July 31, 2021. July 31st, 2021. The company's revenue grew to $1.3 billion, up by 127% year over year and 5.8% obviously sequentially then. Amid stiff competition, NIO has significantly ramped up its production over the past year and is speeding up the launch of 3 new vehicles in 2022, including the ET7, a high-end smart electric sedan. And obviously this is highly spoken of about this sedan. Every individual company that is EV associated is looking forward to it. And what kind of car this will be, they have this car has massive amount of demand, including in Europe as well. Just like recently William Li, the CEO of NIO, spoke, and they are launching it in Germany in 2022, I think starting from April. I'm not sure after that. I think the robo-taxi thing is in April 2022, in March in Munich, together with Intel. But I think it's late in the last quarter of 2022 the launch of ET7 is coming to Germany. You will have to double check on that. Further in my notes, I read on that Q2 2021 vehicle margin reached 20.3% compared with 9.7% in the second quarter of 2020, while gross margin reached 18.6% compared with 8.4% in the second quarter of 2020. Shares of NIO have outperformed the broader market over the past year as the company overcame its debt and liquidity fears. Going forward, obviously the company has issues now with the chips, semiconductor chips, and the high-tech regulations. Obviously NIO recently had some autopilot car crashes of the higher authorities in I think finance people. 1 or 2 persons died. Obviously double check on that, but that had a massive impact on overall stock price. And then obviously the regulation of the technology in China being very strict in these aspects. But that being said, revenue is expected to grow at the rapid rate for the foreseeable future, as it is projected to see 123.6% year-over-year growth and 66.6% growth in 2022. So with NIO's international growth, obviously this is very important. I already mentioned that Germany is allowing NIO to have its NIO ET7 to have its launch in 2022 alongside Norway. This is a massive step for NIO to have its footprints in Europe, and obviously the engine of Europe in Germany. And in the technology, when it comes to mechanistic technologies of cars, the automobile industry is massively established in Germany, and thus NIO being one of them, and obviously one of the leader alongside Tesla now coming to Europe. Tesla's cars being seen everywhere in Germany and in all over Europe, and the same will be the case very soon for NIO as well. So with NIO's international growth just beginning to take off and the company currently investing it aggressively growing its battery as a service business, revenue could have additional tailwinds in the near future as well. Obviously, alongside that, I just wanted to share this news with you. It's also kind of a catalyst for the stock. I personally think in the coming days, in the next week or two, the stock, in my last video I mentioned that this stock could have a base, could find its base around $37. If you have a look at the stock, I can also show it to you. In the last 5 days, the stock did only that and literally traded around this. So it was around this point, 38, something like that, where I made the video, and then obviously it has found its base and is trading around 37.51, and obviously slightly, I think, down in the after hours as well. So the stock has found its base, and I personally think with the news of Bank America being increasing its position by 85%, this could also pave a potential catalyst road, and also the international launch of ET7 could obviously be one catalyst. But overall, NIO does seem very, very attractive right now at this price, and I obviously am highly bullish on this stock. The future belongs to EV, and NIO being the leader alongside Tesla could well be a very, very good growth oriented stock, and I am highly bullish on this stock, and I personally see this as I would say a massive opportunity right now to get in this stock. If you look at Tesla in 2022, in the beginning of 2020, Tesla was trading around $65, and then look at it, it really had this massive like bullish run. Could very well be the case for NIO as well on the longer run. So let's get into the Wall Street analyst point of view. On TipRank, they see this as a stock of $67 having a massive 80% of upside potential from its current price of 37.51, and considering it a strong buy. I personally would also see that say that from its current price there is an easy 60 to 70% of upside potential in this year, seeing it a stock of around about $60 as well, and I would not be surprised that it is going beyond that, just like the Wall Street top analysts are seeing it, considering it around about $67. So that was my take on NIO, the current take on NIO. I'm highly bullish on this stock and the longer run. And if you guys have any news or any points that you want me to bring to your to consider for future videos, I would highly appreciate if you put it in the comments. And obviously you need to subscribe to my channel so that you stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next video.